Hey everyone, this is GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, simply open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then come on to Google Cloud Console and activate your Cloud Shell from here. Now click on this continue. Then authorize. Okay. After activating the Cloud Shell, simply come back to the lab instruction page and click on this task number 2. Then copy this code, paste it here in Cloud Shell and hit enter. Now wait for some time to get this code executed. Okay, we are done with this code, and then again come back to lab instruction page, copy this second code, paste it here and hit enter. Again wait for some time. Okay, so we are done with this code. Simply come back to lab instruction page and click on check my progress for task number 2. So you will get the green tick here, and we are completed with this lab. You can simply end this lab from here and you will get the score. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section.